ready to amplify your WhatsApp marketing and reach thousands in moments. Let's dive into setting up Wati's powerful bulk message sender. First, log into your Wati account and navigate to the Contacts or Audience section. Depending on your dashboard layout, it's time to segment your audience. Think demographics, engagement level, past purchases. The more targeted, the better your results. Click on Create Segment or a similar button. Give your segment a descriptive name, such as loyal customers or new leads. Region X. Now, add filters based on the data you've collected about your contacts. Wati lets you filter by various attributes to narrow it down. Next, head over to the Broadcast or Bulk Message section in the Wati menu. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create Broadcast to start crafting your message. Write your message, keeping it concise, engaging, and personalized. Where possible, you can add images, videos, and use variables like recipient names for a personal touch. Remember to include a clear call to action. Now, schedule your broadcast. Select the date and time you want your message to be sent. Pay attention to time zones to ensure you're reaching your audience at the optimal moment. Wati allows you to schedule for the future, so plan ahead. Before hitting send, crucial reminder: make sure everything complies with WhatsApp's business policies to avoid getting penalized. Do not send spam or unnecessary content. This includes only contacting opt-in customers. Finally, after your broadcast is sent, track your results. Wati provides detailed analytics to see delivery rates, open rates, and click-through rates. This data will help you optimize your future campaigns and is key to reaching the right customers with the right campaign at the perfect moment.